LordSage Sadi TV. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, LordSage Sadi TV. Our next vlog is all about the best house plants for your business. Here are the list of the best houseplants that can bring good fortune to your business. Houseplant number 7, AGLAONEMA. AGLAONEMA is considered luck bringer Feng Shui plant. It should be kept indoors in southeast direction of living room, hall, or office. Houseplant number 6, Peace Lily. In Feng Shui, Peace Lily is considered as a fortune plant. North or west-facing windows are best place for Peace Lily to attract money. Houseplant number 5, Snake Plant. Snake plant is very popular houseplant. As per Feng Shui, it is considered to bring good luck. You can place the snake plant anywhere in your office, including on top of your desk, on a windowsill, or on a bookshelf. Houseplant number 4, Lucky Bamboo. Lucky bamboo has been a symbol of good fortune in the Asian culture from more than 5,000 years. To attract more prosperity, place 3 or 9 stalks of lucky bamboo in the wealth corner or Shun possession of your home, office, or bedroom. Houseplant number 3, Golden POTHOS. Golden POTHOS is commonly known as money. As per Feng Shui, it is considered to bring wealth. This plant should be placed in front of sharp corner or angle to help reduce anxiety, stress, and negative thoughts. Houseplant number 2, Money Plant. Money plant or jade plant is the most popular Feng Shui plant, known to attract money and good luck as it grows. This plant should be kept in the southeast direction of the house, room, or office. Houseplant number 1, Money Tree. Money tree is a popular Feng Shui luck bringer plant, which attracts money. Feng Shui experts recommend placing a money tree plant in the left corner of the house or office for increasing luck.